Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test score comparison between the Honor Magic 7 Pro and the Honor 400 Pro smartphones to see how much difference we are going to get in terms of performance, gaming and daily usage. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So as you can see here, both of these devices, they got 12GB RAM, 512GB storage. They are running on Android 15 with Magic OS 9.0. But the Honor Magic 7 Pro comes with the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, while we got last year's flagship processor, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on Honor 400 Pro. So let's start our benchmarking test score comparison to see how much difference we will get between these two devices in terms of performance. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here. We have already performed all of these and we will just have a quick look on the test score result. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmark. So the Honor Magic 7 Pro scored 2.719594 million points and the Honor 400 Pro scored 1.939360 million points. So as you can see, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is scoring nearly 30% more points compared to what we are getting on the Honor 400 Pro. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see in all of these, performance of Honor Magic 7 Pro is better compared to Honor 400 Pro, and that's why the overall point is also superior on Honor Magic 7 Pro. So let's go back from here to the next test, and that's 3D Mark. This is a GPU benchmarking test, so it gives the idea about the GPU capability of the device. As you can see, it is divided in multiple parts. So first of all, let's go to the wildlife. Here you can see both of these devices are powerful enough to totally maxed out in this test, but if you have a look on the frame rate generation here, you can see that Magic 7 Pro scored from 95 FPS to 177 FPS and Honor 400 Pro scored 63 FPS to 129 FPS. So if you take the average of lowest and maximum frame rate of both of these devices, you can get the idea that we are going to get better FPS on Honor Magic 7 Pro in wildlife test. Now if we go to wildlife extreme, in this, Honor Magic 7 Pro scored 6495 with 38.9 average FPS and Honor 400 Pro scored 4619 with 27.66 average FPS. So the winner is of course the Magic 7 Pro. So if we go back from here to Steel Nomad Lite, in this Honor Magic 7 Pro scored 2552 with 18.91 average FPS and Honor 400 Pro scored 1483 points with 10.99 average FPS. So you can get the idea that how much difference you will get while playing any of your favorite game on both of these devices. Now if we go to the Solar Bay, in this Honor Magic 7 Pro scored 11,764 with 44.73 average FPS and Honor 400 Pro scored 7,682 with 29.21 average FPS. So as you can get the idea, the GPU we got on Honor Magic 7 Pro is superior compared to what we got on the Honor 400 Pro, and that's why the gaming experience will be better on Honor Magic 7 Pro. Now let's go to the Geekbench 6. This test is divided in CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So as you can see here, Honor Magic 7 Pro scored 3127 in single core and 9801 in multi-core, while Honor 400 Pro scored 2116 in single core and 6661 in multi-core. So in both of these single core and multi-core, performance of Honor Magic 7 Pro is better, and that's why it's the winner. Now if you go to the GPU test, here you can see that Honor Magic 7 Pro scored 18,121 and Honor 400 Pro scored 13,180. So as you can get the idea, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is going to be better when it comes to performance as well as gaming compared to Honor 400 Pro, as the Honor Magic 7 Pro comes with the latest and the most powerful chipset currently available in the market for Android devices. But Honor 400 Pro is also pretty powerful because it comes with just the last generation of the flagship chipset, and because of that its performance is going to be quite impressive in daily usage as well as gaming. But of course the performance of Magic 7 Pro will be a bit better. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.